Do you have a moment to talk? I've been feeling a bit down lately because of how things have been between us.
Oh, really? I didn't notice anything was wrong. Is it about the project at work?
No, it's about us. Lately, when I talk to you, you're always looking at your laptop or your phone. I feel like I'm talking to a wall.
I'm sorry. I've just been so busy with these deadlines. I didn't think it was bothering you that much.
It does bother me. I feel ignored, and it makes me feel like what I have to say isn't important to you.
That's not true at all. I value your opinion more than anyone's. I guess I've just been in my own world lately.
I understand you're stressed, but I need at least 20 minutes a day where we just talk without any screens.
You're right. I've been neglectful. From now on, when we have dinner, I'll leave my phone in the other room.
Thank you. That would mean a lot to me. I just want to feel like we're still a team.
We are a team. I'll do better, I promise. Let's start tonight. I can't believe it's really you. You haven't changed a bit in 5 years.
5 years? It feels like a lifetime. Look at you. You've grown a beard.
Yeah, a lot has happened since university. I heard you moved to Singapore for work.
I did. I was there for 3 years, but I just moved back last month. It was an amazing experience, but I missed home.
I can imagine. I stayed here and started my own architectural firm. It's been a lot of hard work, but it's finally growing.
That's incredible. You always said you wanted to be your own boss. And what about your sister? Is she still living in London?
No, she's back here too. She's married now and has a little boy. You should come over and meet them.
I'd love to. There's so much to catch up on. We should grab a coffee and talk for hours.
Definitely. I'm so glad we ran into each other today. It's like no time has passed at all.
I agree. Let's make sure we don't wait another 5 years to see each other again.
Have you heard the news about the office? Everyone is talking about it in the break room.
You mean the rumor that the company is moving to a different city?
No, not that one. People are saying that the manager, Mr. Thompson, is actually going to retire early.
Really? He's only 55. Why would he retire now?
Someone said he won the lottery, but I think it's more likely that he's just tired of the long commute.
I hope it's not true. He's the best boss we've ever had. If he leaves, things might get much more difficult here.
I agree, but you know how rumors are. Usually only half of the story is true.
True. Maybe he's just taking a long vacation and someone misunderstood.
Let's wait until the official meeting on Friday. It's better than guessing and getting everyone worried.
Good point. I'll try to ignore the gossip until we hear it from him.
Okay, so my brother's 30th birthday is coming up. I want to throw him a surprise party, but I need your help.
I love surprise parties. When are you thinking of having it?
Next Saturday, I've already booked a small room at his favorite Italian restaurant.
That's a great start. How are we going to get him there without him suspecting anything?
I told him that you and I are just going out for a casual dinner and that he should join us.
That sounds believable. Who else are you inviting?
Just our close friends and family, about 15 people in total. I've told everyone to arrive at least 30 minutes early.
Good. And what about the cake? I can pick one up from that bakery he likes if you want.
That would be perfect. And we need some decorations. Maybe just some simple balloons and a banner.
I'll handle the decorations and the cake. You just make sure he actually shows up on time.
I'll do my best. I'm so excited to see the look on his face.
I've been thinking about going back to university to get my master's degree. What do you think?
That's a big decision. What subject are you interested in?
I want to study international relations. I think it would really help my career in the long run.
It sounds interesting, but it's a lot of work. Do you think you can manage it while working full-time?
That's the hard part. I'm looking at some part-time programs that are mostly online.
That might be more manageable. Have you looked at the costs yet?
Yes, it's quite expensive, but the university offers some scholarships for working professionals.
You should definitely apply for those. Education is always a good investment in yourself.
I agree. I just hope I'm not too old to be a student again.
You're never too old to learn something new. I think you should go for it.
Oh no, look, the bus is pulling away. We missed it.
You're kidding. I told you we should have left the museum 10 minutes earlier.
I know, I know. I just got distracted by that beautiful painting in the last room.
Now what are we gonna do? The next tour bus doesn't come for another 2 hours.
Maybe we can take a taxi to the next stop? It's only a few miles away.
A taxi will be expensive, and we don't even know the exact route the bus takes.
Let's check the map on my phone. Look, the next stop is at the old castle. We can catch it there.
Okay, let's try to find a taxi. But from now on, I'm in charge of the watch.
Fair enough. I'm sorry for making us late. I'll pay for the taxi.
Deal. Let's hurry or we'll miss the castle tour too. You seem a bit quiet today. Are you feeling okay?
To be honest, I'm just feeling really homesick. I miss my family and the food back home.
I understand. It's hard being in a new country where everything is so different.
It is. I especially miss the Sunday dinners we used to have. Everyone would sit around the table for hours.
Why don't you try to cook one of those meals here? It might make you feel a bit better.
I tried, but I can't find the right spices in the local supermarkets.
I know a small international store in the city center that might have them. We can go there this weekend.
That's a great idea. And maybe I can video call my parents while I'm cooking.
Exactly. It's normal to miss home, but you're doing a great job here. We're all proud of you.
Thank you. Talking about it actually makes me feel a lot better.
Mark, you've been lying in the sun for 4 hours. You're gonna get a terrible sunburn.
I'm fine. I'm finally getting a tan. I don't want to spend my whole vacation sitting under an umbrella.
It's not about the tan, it's about your health. Look at your shoulders. They're already bright red.
You're always worrying too much. I just want to relax and enjoy the heat.
I'm worrying because I don't want to spend the rest of the trip helping you put lotion on your back when you're in pain.
Okay. I'll put some more sunscreen on. Can you pass it to me?
I told you to put it on an hour ago. You're so stubborn sometimes.
I just want to make the most of the sun. We don't get much of it back home.
I know, but let's go get some lunch in the shade for a while. You need a break.
Fine. I'm getting hungry anyway. Let's go find some seafood.
Hello, how much is this handmade rug? It's very beautiful.
That one is $200. It's made of high-quality wool and took 3 weeks to make.
$200? That's a bit more than I was planning to spend. Would you take $150?
I'm sorry, sir, but $150 is too low. The materials alone are very expensive.
How about $170? I really love the colors, but my budget is a bit tight.
If you buy the small pillow cover as well, I can give you both for $190.
That's a good deal, but I only really need the rug. Could we do $175 for just the rug?
$180 is my final price. It's a very fair price for this kind of craftsmanship.
Okay, $180 sounds fair. I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Thank you for your business. I'm sure it will look great in your home.
I was looking at our savings account today. We're finally halfway to our goal for the house deposit.
That's amazing. We've been working so hard for the last 2 years.
We have. All those nights staying in instead of going out are finally paying off.
I was thinking maybe we can reach the full amount by next summer if we keep this up.
I hope so, but we also need to think about our retirement fund. We haven't put much into it lately.
You're right. Once we have the house, we should focus on long-term investments.
It's a lot to think about. Sometimes I feel like all we talk about is money.
It's important to have a plan for the future. It gives us security.
I agree. I'm just looking forward to the day when we can relax a little bit more.
We'll get there. For now, let's celebrate our progress with a nice homemade dinner.
Sounds perfect. We're doing a great job together.